Welcome to the Headspace app for mental health review, usage experience. Links to the app are in the description below. Headspace is a leading mental health and mindfulness app designed to help users reduce stress, improve focus, sleep better, and cultivate a greater sense of overall well-being. It's ideal for anyone looking to manage anxiety, develop better habits, or simply add mindfulness to their daily routine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced meditator, the app features an extensive library of guided meditation sessions covering areas like stress management, emotional resilience, and gratitude. Headspace also offers targeted programs such as managing anxiety, coping with burnout, and overcoming fear of failure. These are organized into short, manageable sessions, typically ranging from 3 to 20 minutes, allowing users to fit mindfulness into their schedules. For better sleep, the app includes sleepcasts, bedtime stories mixed with soothing sounds, as well as calming music and soundscapes tailored to promote relaxation and uninterrupted rest. What sets Headspace apart is its personalized approach. It starts with an onboarding quiz to recommend content based on your goals and preferences, ensuring a tailored experience. For those with a busy lifestyle, the app also provides mindful moments, short activities that you can practice on the go. Additionally, the Focus Music section features curated playlists designed to enhance concentration and productivity. Headspace isn't just for individual users. Its content is great for families and workplaces too. The app includes activities designed for kids and meditations that parents can do together with their children. It also offers tools for professionals to reduce stress and improve collaboration in team settings. Whether you're new to mindfulness or looking for advanced techniques, Headspace makes it easy to build a consistent practice that fits your life. Its approachable design, wide variety of programs, and scientifically backed content make it a top choice for anyone prioritizing their mental health. Check the links in the description to get started.